Well, boys, we're here. Not much of an intro, but doesn't look like much right now, but we're gonna cross the road. And this, boys, is how you get hit by a car. Oh, shoot. A little skiddly doo-bop, and we should be over there, you know? Well, I spooked a little bluegill, and I got this little bluegill pole on here. So, I want to see if there's other ones I can't see right now, or something I'm just going to cast out there. See if I can't get any little bites on this little grub on this little jig head. Oh, I had a bite. I watched them try to grab it. It's just a little bluegill, I think. Or something. It's a little rock bass, baby. I barely even hooked. Oh shit. Look how I barely even hooked him. Golly, he's a chunk rock. Look at that guy. That's a nice little rock bass. Yeah, let me take a picture of that. Oh shit, no. You're mine. I got you fair and square. I got you fair and square. You guys know this or not, but when you're fishing and stuff, these little pockets where like the water's not really flowing that hard, just these little like pockets where the water's still and calm, that's where the fish usually hang out. I mean, I'm sure you guys already know that. Just a little friendly tip from your boy. They kind of like stalking the prey, you know. The food just comes to them if they're just like, it's like a fast food, you know. They're just chilling, waiting for food to come to them. I mean, and that's why I've been told. Bass are usually lazy predators. Honestly, I like these hooks. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. Has 3 barbs on there. That's pretty cool. I like these hooks. I mean, they kind of like give it a little weedless action. They like to grab onto the bait a little better. I'm sure it helps with hook sets too. But yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna show you the hooks. That's where I'm at. Pretty dang nice, good place, baby. Shit, I might as well try casting over here. Let's set my rod down. I'll tell you one thing, these rubber boots make me slide all over the dang place. Got my step down over here. There might be a little smallie hanging out over here. You never know. This is a nice little island I can walk on. They don't look too deep, so I might be giving myself some false hope. Well, I mean, I might as well try right here, actually, right in front of me. That's pretty deep. Ooh. Oh, I got one. Golly, look at the size of this smallmouth. Holy cow, dude. Holy cow. That's nice. Look at that. Hammered it, dude. I love this. See, guys, that pocket, there's a little pocket right here where the it's kind of like a drop off right here. I don't know if you can see it from where I'm at, but It's literally shallow, like straight through here, and then there's just a drop off right here. And that's where I caught him at. That's a nice fish. I'm definitely getting a picture with it. It's a little, I say it's a pound maybe. These boots are already wet from the inside, so they're not really doing much help from where I fished yesterday. We caught a couple fish, I might as well show you them. They're just little guys. I'm getting this little guy interested. Go for it. I got him. That's awesome. I just watched him take it. That's sick nasty. You're alright, buddy. You're good. Squeak McGee. Sight fishing at its finest. So I trust you. Oh, I think I got one. But it was the worst hook set in history. And he's got me in the lily pad, so it's not looking good. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming, baby. Oh, yeah. Barely even hooked. Look at this. Little skiddly boop. Falling right out of his mouth. Has a little salad in his mouth too. Here, I'll get that out of there for you. Little half-pound guy. Woo. That pond, I'll probably make future videos in. But thanks. There you go. Thanks. You too. Hey guys, I'm back in the dorm. I'm actually recording for an outro because I forgot to do so earlier. I'm looking back at the video and stuff, I'm editing it, and I realized I kind of overreacted with the whole smallmouth ordeal. It was kind of just a surprise, I guess. I wasn't really expecting to catch anything over there. That was the first time I ever fished that spot, like in general. So yeah, I mean, it was a genuine reaction. I wish it wasn't, but I was freaking out over like a little 1 pound bass. It's alright. So, I mean, hopefully this summer I'll be able to fish some more spots for you. It's kind of hard right now with school and, you know, working a job and stuff. But this summer, hopefully we can get a go on all this. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, I mean, I'll catch you later. See you.